Now, I know some of you guys asked me to recreate a hairstyle that I did on my traditional look, which click here. And what I basically did was just get the front section of the hair. Oh, sorry, I keep burping because I ate before I filmed this. Anyway, the front section of the hair, I just grab a little bit, and then I grab the next, and then I grab the next, and then I grab the next, and the other next bit, and this. And then I just twisted it and pinned it, right? Well, if you guys want more volume, because you backcombed it, it should give you like slightly bit of volume, but you can just pull it out slightly to add that extra volume in if you wanted to. So you just need to get some grips, really good grips. Like the ones that I use are from Sally's. They're really good. They don't budge, so it's really they're very secure. So I'm just gonna go in and just open it up and you pin it. Whenever you use grips, just so it's secure, you need to go back in and double cross it. So I'm going to show you on the side and double cross it like that. So it's one going above, one going down, so it's secure. And then that will hold that in place. Then I'm going to do the other side now. It's a very easy look. Sorry guys, my scalp is really dry due to just lockdown. So it is a bit annoying right now. So yeah, that is the other side. I'm just going to pull out bits to even it out on both sides. It's so hard to get it even, but you know, try your best. Doesn't need to be super even. Like that, right? So again, one going over and then one going under. And that will hold that in place, yeah? So you guys don't need to put about 50,000 pins in. You don't need to do that if you don't want to. This is the first look. I'm gonna add some earrings on. I thought I would jazz it up and add the earrings on as well, just to show you guys what it would look like with a traditional look. Very easy. It will last you the whole day. You can add flowers around, over this whole section if you wanted to, and add jasmine. Because you've secured it here, you can grip the jasmine on here as well and use that as a base. A hairstyle look, which will be a half up all the way back, and yeah. What I usually do with a half up is I get this section of hair here and I twist it, and any hair that comes with it, just twist it as well. I'm just gonna pull out these twists, right? Just so it gives it a little bit more texture. Don't hold it too tight either, because then it's easier to pull it out. Like so. And I'm going to take it around to the back of my hair, turn around, so around here, and I'm just going to pin it here. And again, down. And then I'm going to take the next section, and this is where I know to stop and pin the other bit when I take it around as well. So I'm going to grab a section here and twist it all of that way through. Again, hold it quite loose and just start pulling bits out. Do you guys see that? It adds a really nice textured look. And just pull it out and twist it again. And you can always twist it back if it looks a bit weird or you pull too much out. So it's not a problem in that sense. Right? Yeah. So do you remember where we put this base, right? So that's where you want to clip this bit. And this is going to go in the opposite direction above. Now that is so secure, guys. That is literally so secure. It's not going to budge. And you can put jasmine again here if you wanted to. You can hang it down. It's completely up to you. If you wanted to, you can always pull bits out to make it a bit looser, like so. And what I would suggest is just spray it down. Just going to make this a little bit thicker. Just like so. And I want to pull out a little bit here as well. at the front. So you just spray, twist, so it just stays. Again on this side. And again, you can just twist it back in. So do you guys kind of see? And this gives it a really nice, effortless, kind of messy-ish look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. Okay, and the last look that you guys can do with this hair is I'm going to do a middle part bun. What I'm going to do is just comb it back, get it in a ponytail. Comb that back. Make sure it's all very, very neat. And make sure it's very, very neat. Once that's done, I'm just going to spray it down and go back in with this brush and smooth it out. Right, like that. Just make sure it's smooth, and I'm going to do a low bun. So I'm going to do it like here, around here, and then you get a hair tie and you just tie it back into a ponytail. And I'm going to go back in and spray this bit down because you want it to be very neat and you want any stray hairs to be put back. And with this, because it's all curled and the waves are together, all you have to do now is brush this out, brush it out, and twist it, right? So it gives you this twisted look. So I'm just going to twist it and comb it out. And it should just, the curls should just come together like this, right? Basically like that, yeah? And then when that's done, I'm just going to twist it and start pulling bits out, just in random places. Try not to take too much out because my hair's a bit layered, it's like pulling quite a bit out. Like so. I'm just going to wrap this around like so, and again, like that, and then tuck this inside the bun, the loose bit, like that, right? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see? I hope you guys can see this. I hope this even looks right for me because I can't actually see what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go in with these little U-pins, like that, and just clip this in. And just make sure all these bits are secure. And again, round bit there. I'm going to go back in with the actual grips, these grips, and secure it even more. And I'm not going to open these up, bear that in mind, because if you don't open it up, it secures it a lot tighter. And then the front, I'm just going to take little bits out, just hold the hair, take out little bits and make it a bit softer, like so. I'm just going to pull out some of the front as well, just here, like that, and here, like that. Just going to take out a tiny bit more for this front bit, like that. And I'm going to hairspray this down. And hairspray this bit as well. And I can see this bit's coming out, so what I'm going to do is get a U-pin again, one of these grips, and just grab that hair that's coming out and just push it in. Done. Yeah, do you guys kind of see that? Again, I'm going to just spray the front bits and make sure it's all okay. And then tidy the sides up again. Make sure this is very slick and neat. Like so. Yeah, do you guys kind of see that? And then after that's done, I'm just going to go in and add a potte. Just going to match it to the sari. So I'm going to add a green potte. And this is the final look. Messy bun. I don't actually know what it looks like from behind, so please don't judge me if it looks crap. But this is what it looks like from the front, and I like it, so I'm gonna go ahead with this. Let me know if you guys like it down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys like this tutorial, and if you want me to do any more, please do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, my loves.